Want to accept payments with Mollie directly from your WordPress forms? With FormGent, you can connect your Mollie account, create a payment form, and send users to Mollie's secure checkout. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Mollie with FormGent, create your payment form, test a payment, and finally start accepting real payments. Let's get started. Before we begin, you need a few things. First, FormGent installed on your WordPress website. You also need a Mollie account and access to your Mollie API key. And of course, you need a FormGent form where you want to collect the payment. One important thing to know, Mollie currently works with one-time payments in FormGent. Subscription payments are not supported yet. First, log into your Mollie account, open your website profile and go to the API keys section. Here you will find both your test key and your live key. For now, copy the test API key. This lets you test the full payment process without charging real money. Once everything is working correctly, we can switch to the live key later. Now go back to your WordPress dashboard, open FormGent, then go to Global Settings. From here, open the Payment section and select Mollie. Enable the Mollie Payment Gateway. Now paste the test API key you copied from your Mollie account. FormGent will automatically understand that you are using test mode. You do not need to turn on a separate test setting. Click Save Changes, and Mollie is now connected with FormGent. Next, we need to choose what users will see after they finish the payment. Inside the payment settings, open Page Configuration. You will see a payment success page and a payment failed page. Create a page for successful payments and add the FormGent payment success shortcode. Then create another page for failed payments and add the payment failed shortcode. After that, select those pages here and save the settings. Now FormGent knows where to send the user after the payment. Now let's create the actual payment form. Create a new FormGent form or open one you already have. Add the fields you need, for example, name, email, phone number, or any other information you want to collect. Then add the payment block, open the payment settings, and set the payment type to one time. Under payment methods, select Mollie. That's all you need to connect Mollie with this form. Next, set the amount you want to charge. You can use a fixed amount like 10, 20, or 50. Depending on your form setup, you can also calculate the amount using other form fields. For this example, we'll keep it simple and use a fixed amount. Save your form when you are done. Here is what happens when someone uses your form. First, they fill in the form, then they click the Submit button. FormGent creates the payment and sends them to Mollie checkout. The customer completes the payment on Mollie. After that, Mollie sends them back to your WordPress website. FormGent checks the payment status and shows the correct result. It's a simple flow from start to finish. Before going live, always test your payment form. Make sure your Mollie test API key is still connected. Now open the form from the front end, fill it in like a normal customer, and submit the form. You will be redirected to Mollie's test checkout. No real money is used here, so you can safely test the payment process. It is also a good idea to test different payment results. First, test a successful payment. After the payment, you should see your payment success page. Then try a failed or cancelled payment. This time, FormGent should show your payment failed page. Testing different results helps you make sure your users always see the correct message. Once you have tested everything and your form is working correctly, you can start accepting real payments. Go back to your Mollie account and copy the live API key. Then return to FormGent payment settings, replace the test key with the live key. FormGent will automatically switch from test mode to live mode, save the settings. Your form is now ready to accept real Mollie payments. If Mollie does not appear in your form, check these 4 things. Make sure Mollie is enabled in global payment settings. Make sure your API key is correct. Make sure the payment type is set to one time. And finally, make sure Mollie is selected as the payment method. Save the form again and you should be ready to go. And that's it. You have successfully connected Mollie with FormGent. Now you can create payment forms, test the complete payment process, and start accepting real payments from your WordPress website. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more FormGent tutorials. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.